A difference a day makes. Stocks rallying for our biggest advance since July, with the S&P gaining for the first time in 4 days. This rally coming after the Commerce Department said GDP grew at a 3.5% pace during the third quarter, and the economy actually returning to growth for the first time in a year. And remember, the reason the market has been lower for actually the past 4 days is that we've been getting a lot of these economic reports tied to the consumer, and so there's been this back and forth of a lot of investors questioning whether the economy is really recovering. But today's GDP report really kind of bringing things into focus, and that really helping out the Dow Industrials to advance. Stocks like Alcoa, Caterpillar, and American Express performing quite well in today's session. And then add on top of that a lot of positive reaction to the mountain, basically, a better than expected earnings reports we got in today's session. Motorola is saying fourth quarter profit may exceed estimates as their job cuts help to beat their projections. Procter & Gamble saying price increases help the company counter some volume declines, and first quarter profit fell less than analysts expected. Newmont Mining also putting in a pretty good gain. They beat estimates, and Kellogg saying third quarter profit also better than expected. That after they cut costs and boosted productivity. Over the past few days, as the market has been dropping, financials actually have been the biggest drags, but today a big turnaround. Financials taking the leadership position and the biggest gainers in the S&P. And on tap for Friday, lots of earnings to tell you about. NYSE Euronext, along with Duke Energy, Dominion Resources, and Chevron releasing earnings, along with Weyerhaeuser, Estee Lauder, and Coventry Health. And taking a look at one earnings report to tell you about after the close of trading, MetLife moving just slightly lower here in extended trading, down about 2% right now, though, after posting its third straight quarterly loss as the bond market rally helped restore profits at smaller rivals, and that really weighed on their results. This is the longest streak of losses since MetLife became a publicly traded company in 2000.